Huh?
Going.
Ah! That was fun, huh? Okay, Jax, we're gonna scare the birds. Okay, you ready? You ready, Jax? We're gonna scare them.
Again.
Again? We gotta wait for them to come back. They're all coming back. Okay, you ready? You ready, Jax? Okay. And 3, 2, 1!
Again.
Again. All coming back, Jax. They're all coming. They're all coming. Okay, you ready, Jax? Are you ready? Ready? Set. Go!
Again. Again.
Again? Oh no, we can't scare them all the time. We gotta let them eat some food in peace.
Again.
This is the last time, then we gotta go home. Okay, Jax? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. We gotta wait until they come back. See, now some of them are like, I don't know about those people. Okay. Ready? Set. Go!
Again.
No. Okay, say bye-bye, pigeons. Bye, chickens. Say bye-bye. Oh, they all flew away. They must know. They must have known. They're all flying to that tree over there. And there's some chickens here. They're going somewhere. I'm not sure who's feeding them. Say bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
That was fun, huh?